Okay, what do we have today?
If you want to go fast, you need something like a race car or a jet aircraft, or for real speed, a rocket ship. Now, not everybody can get their hands on those, but if you want to push your data to crazy high speeds, you just need Smiths Interconnect KVPX series Backplane connector system. The KVPX system is a modular connector system compatible with VITA 46, 47, and 78 standards, and is ideal for embedded applications in commercial and defense, aerospace, and space systems. It features Smiths Interconnect's proven Hypertac contacts with press-fit termination. The contact design provides immunity against fretting in applications with continuous shock and vibration, such as in aerospace, space, and defense platforms. The connectors are offered in half or full modules with differential, single-ended, and power module options. The 100 ohm impedance is optimized for differential signals and supports data rates up to 16 gigabits per second.